Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn 36 powerful English sentences that will help you sound more confident, natural, and fluent in everyday conversations. Make sure to watch till the end because these sentences are super useful in real-life situations. Present simple, habits or routines. Based on, I usually go to the gym before work. He always drinks a cup of coffee before he starts his day. They take the bus to school every morning. My sister practices the piano for an hour after dinner. We visit our grandparents every weekend. The shop opens at 9 o'clock sharp. She reads a chapter of her novel before going to sleep. First conditional, real possibilities. Based on, if it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. If we don't leave now, we will miss the train. If she invites him, he will definitely come. If the weather is nice, we will go for a hike. If you need help, just let me know. If they finish the work early, they will get a bonus. Present perfect, experiences or time markers. Based on, have you seen the new movie yet? Have you finished your homework yet? I have already been to Paris twice. She has never eaten sushi before. They have lived in this city for over 10 years. We have just started watching the new series. Has he told you the good news yet? Present perfect continuous, ongoing actions. Based on, she's been working on this project for hours. I have been waiting for the bus for 20 minutes. They have been playing video games since noon. He has been feeling a bit tired lately. We have been planning this trip for months. It has been raining all afternoon. She has been practicing yoga to reduce stress. Modals of obligation or advice. Based on, we ought to leave soon. You should see a doctor about that cough. We must wear a seatbelt while driving. Students ought to respect their teachers. You need to sign the document before leaving. We had better hurry up or we will be late. They must not forget to lock the front door. Comparatives. Based on, the book was better than the movie. My new apartment is more spacious than my old one. Learning Italian is easier than learning Chinese. The second presentation was more interesting than the first. Traveling by train is cheaper than flying. This soup is saltier than the one we had yesterday. Great job! Try to practice these sentences every day to make them a natural part of your English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.